guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a clean with me video. Right here you can see that I'm just putting away my paper goods. Right here is the toilet tissue and also my paper towels. We're going to be cleaning everything. I've been sick, as you can hear in my voice, so I've just been doing a little deep clean situation in the apartment. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it and let me know if you like these types of videos. Okay, here I started in the bathroom. I like to spray the Lysol spray throughout the whole shower, and then I like to use the toilet cleaner. I don't know where I learned this from, but years ago I started doing that, and I like to drape it across the tiles because it kind of cleans it up. I'm using this brush I got from Family Dollar, and I'm scrubbing away, girl. I'm getting all of the crevices, the creases, the corners. I'm just getting it all done, okay? Next, we're going into the living room. I have all of these blinds and ceiling fans, and I've never dusted it, I admit, since I moved in here. Right before baby comes, I want to make sure I'm getting everything in order, and also with my allergies. So right here, I'm just dusting, and I'll also hit those blinds with this duster. I don't know if it's me, but looking out on my balcony, I always be like, is there something on the window? Like, I don't know what it is. So I took the time. It was nice outside, and I was like, I'm going to clean the inside and the outside of this door before I dust the blinds. I'm using 2 different paper towels, so don't try to come for me in the comments. Thank you. And I'm also going to hit the top of the glass door as well. Okay, now I'm going to do the living room. This couch is a high traffic area for my house in general. Everybody sits here, people come over. So with it being allergy season, I really wanted, instead of washing my cushions, like I typically do that like every couple of months, I'm going to steam the couch. So I have this handy dandy steamer, and girl, I'm actually going pretty slow. I just sped the clip up, but to get rid of any lingering germs or dust mites or whatever is in the couch, I'm using this steamer and getting deep in, okay?
Nobody touched me in a rush. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up
and girl, I'm also hitting all these throw pillows. They've been in my little storage container for the holiday season, so I'm just switching them out and making sure that I steam them on both sides.
when you walk out, before the table turn, beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this too.
lastly, we're going to end this video with a really quick meal. Baby boy loves to eat, girl. So right here, I'm making Brussels sprouts. I just lightly drizzled them with olive oil, and then I'm going to season them with, I believe, garlic, pepper, salt, and crushed red peppers. Put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And then I am going to also cook some salmon. I'm starting to learn that I only like fresh salmon. I don't like the salmon that be frozen in a little thing no more. So yeah, we a little bougie now. I'm gonna season them, put a little olive oil on them, and put the salmon in the air fryer.
If it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward. Give me all the work. They send me out there, work.